uh, given that a curve have equation y equal to 1 over x plus 2 square root x, where x greater than 0, find dy dx and the second derivative. Hence or otherwise find the coordinate and natural of the stationary point of the curve. Okay, so for this one, we have to rewrite the equation of y. So y equal to x power negative 1 plus 2x power half. Okay, so in the first lah, we know that 1 over x is x power negative 1 and square root x is x power half. Okay, so to find the dy dx, okay, then it will be negative x power negative 2 plus 2 times half x to the power of negative half. Okay, and the second derivative d2y dx squared will be 2x power negative 3. Okay, so this one is negative x power negative 2 plus x power negative 1 over 2. Okay, minus 1 over 2 x power negative 3 over 2. So this one will be negative 1 over x squared. So normally I will from this step, then I go to this step. But for the dy dx, I will rewrite it as this is the 1 over square root of x. So the x power negative half, so the x power negative half is 1 over x power half, is 1 over square root of x. Okay, so and for the this one, it will become 2 over x cubed minus 1 over 2 square root x cubed. Okay. X power negative 3 over 2, x power negative 3 over 2 will be 1 over x power 3 over 2. Okay, 1 over square root x cubed. Okay, so this is the first derivative and the second derivative. So C, they want to find the stationary point. So for the stationary point, so this is the second derivative and this is the first derivative. So stationary point is the dy dx equal to 0. 1 negative 1 minus 1 over x squared. This is equal to 0. Okay, then I will have the 1 over square root x equal to 1 over x squared. Okay, then I have the x squared over square root x is equal to 1. Then I have the x power 3 over 2 is 1. X equal to 1 power 2 over 3, that is 1. Okay, so I have x equal to 1. Then the y will become 1 over 1 plus 2. Okay, so x equal to 1, then the y is 1 over 1 plus 2 square root 1. So it will become 3. So the coordinate will be 1, 3. Then the second derivative value when x equal to 1, it will be 2 over 1 cube and then minus 1 over 2 square root 1 cube. Okay, so it will be 2 minus half 3 over 2. Okay, greater than 0. It is a minimum. So the 1, 3 is the minimum point. Okay. So when the question asks for stationary point, that means the dy dx equal to 0. Okay, and then they want to find the natural of the stationary point. That means we find for the second derivative. So for the second derivative, if it is a positive, then it is a minimum point. Negative value, then it's a maximum point. So for this case, it is positive. So it is a minimum point. So this is positive value. Okay, so it is a minimum point.